Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the perfect choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. The drone has a 249g takeoff weight, so it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA and includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safe flight. The Flip includes a remote control in its basic configuration, but may also be controlled with a smartphone app or on-aircraft controls. Camera quality is tops too. The drone keeps up with flagship smartphones with excellent 4K 60 video and RAW or JPG stills at your choice of 12MP or 48MP. First-time drone owners will appreciate the Flip's safety features, ease of use, and picture quality. Its stills are good enough to print and share on social media, and its video will look great on YouTube or even a big-screen TV. Pro pilots should skip this one as it doesn't support remote ID, but the Flip is a stronger value option for drone flights performed under recreational rules. Number 2. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 puts both a 24mm wide-angle and 70mm mid-telephoto lens on its gimbal-stabilized camera, giving pilots lots of creative options. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a boost for automated camera moves and follow-me flights, and makes the drone all but crash-proof for manual flight. Long battery life, sharp 4K video, and good still image quality complete the package. The Air 3 is a good drone for recreational pilots who want a model with stronger motors and better wind resistance than most 249G drones manage, and for pros working on video projects or taking photos for real estate listings. FAA registration is required for all pilots with this model, but the dual camera system, remote ID, and ADS-B are all marks in its favor. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro's big 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile delivers class-leading footage and stills straight out of the camera. All-around obstacle sensors allow the drone to easily bypass obstructions. An integrated GPS keeps it steady in the air, and 35-minute flying times, in testing, make for safer flights. Film producers can upgrade to the Pro Cine, $4,799, edition to get a 1TB SSD, ProRes 422 video support, and the RC Pro remote, while anyone on a budget can opt for the $1,599 Classic Edition, which drops the telephoto cameras and internal storage. The Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration, and you need an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to bring along for location work. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent. It supports 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as 60 degrees of upward tilt. The photo quality is good too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the 38-minute flight times, though we wish DJI had worked obstacle detection into this model. Creators who want a dual-aspect drone for TikTok and YouTube should consider this. It conveniently streams live video straight to a smartphone app, is capable for stills, and remains stable even when you fly it near the 400-foot altitude limit. Licensed pilots can consider the Mini 3 for paid work, but make sure to get the extended life battery as it is a requirement for remote ID to work with this drone. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus uses a Type 1 sensor camera for picture quality that's competitive with flagship smartphones, with the additional benefit of a variable aperture to cut incoming light without the need for ND filters. The folding drone can fly for around 40 minutes on a full battery and supports 3-way obstacle sensors to prevent mid-air accidents. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a capable camera drone for creators. Its 6K camera is very good and, although we wish we could fine-tune the video profile, a flat look is available if you want to edit for color. Its price is a knock against it though, but you might find the Lite Plus to be worth it for extended flight times, variable aperture camera, and integrated remote ID broadcast module.